Hello children, today I'll make cup glider in front of you. It's very simple activity and for that you just need tape, 2 plastic glasses, pair of scissors and few rubber bands. First of all, join these 2 glasses like this with the help of this tape. And give it 4-5 turns. And now cut from the other side. Now after this, we'll join these rubbers and make a chain of these rubbers by simply keeping it like this. So like this, make a chain of 10 to 12 rubber bands. Now, place one end of this chain here, stretch, give 2-3 turns, and then hold it like this and then release this part outside to try this glider. So we have to launch it like this. So let's move outside, either into your gallery or you can go outside onto a road and try this. See, hold it like this and release.